Hey guys, my name is Sam Knockan. I'm the president and owner at Texas Best Credit Repair. I see a lot of people on social media out there trying to convince people that they need credit repair. And if that's you, this video is probably not for you. Has anybody ever had to convince you that you needed, an aspirin for a headache, or that you needed some soup when you're sick with a cold? Credit repair is kind of like that. This video is for people that know that they need help. And so I want to talk about what makes us different, why we're the best choice for you, and your credit. One of the things that we do differently than other credit repair companies is we have a one-on-one experience. We call it credit coaching. We actually talk with our clients via an online account. Clients can schedule phone calls with us. We can do video chats. We get real personal with our clients. The other thing that we also do is an unlimited investigation process where, based on what the client wants us to go after, we can target any unfair negative items and get those guys deleted every 30 to 45 days. Typically clients realize a better credit score with us within the first 30 to 45 days, but day one, they can actually get better credit with our credit coaching. A lot of people ask us, what is credit coaching? What are you talking about, Sam? Really, it's a term that we came up with that really describes this. It's a credit expert, me and my 20 plus years experience in the financial services industry, telling you all the right moves that you need to make with regard to your credit, such as, should I pay this off? Should I not pay this off? What should I do in this scenario? Will this help my credit? Will this lower my credit? Those are all the questions that every client, whether you're with our company or another company, has, but we're gonna tell those to you directly on a one-on-one level. Whereas other companies, they'll just slap a big book down, or I guess that's figuratively speaking, or they'll just say, hey, read all this information and pull out what applies to you. We're gonna cut all that stuff out and just talk about what you're worried about. Is it collections? Is it a repo? Or are you trying to get a home? We specialize in that, by the way. Or are you trying to take care of collection accounts? Is somebody in the family needing to get a job and they can't get a job because of their credit scores? We're gonna just specifically talk to you about your credit needs. Think of it as the difference between, someone asking you to learn the Spanish language and saying, hey, here's a Spanish dictionary. And we're more like Rosetta Stone, where, we're gonna actually just talk about what you wanna do. So that makes it a lot easier than trying to figure out all the credit answers to everything that probably doesn't apply to you. So if you want personalized service, you want to talk to us at Texas Best Credit Repair and our team. We'd love to help you. We do a free consultation. There's no risk, and that free consultation is something that benefits every person that comes to us, whether they enroll or not. We're going to tell you about your situation. So if you got worries, if you're stressed out, if you know you need credit repair, we're the best solution. We're Texas Best Credit Repair. The best is yet to come. I'm Sam Knockan. I look forward to talking with you guys a lot more through social media, and it's been great. Take care.